Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey people, Gary here from MyDigi Affiliate, and today we're promoting a $25 online digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. I believe this might be day 19 or 20, not entirely sure. And we continue from that point. But first off, let's talk about why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one business, just in case people just stumble upon this video here instead of starting from the beginning. I like to promote the $25 all-in-one business because it's a system in which you need for online business anyway. Like, it's a funnel builder, and the most popular funnel builder right now is ClickFunnels, which is $91 per month. This is only $25 per month. And the problem with ClickFunnels is that they have limitations on that $91 per month plan, which only a certain amount of people can look at your offer, which is insane. And so you have to upgrade to the $290 something plan for that to go away. With Funnel Builder $25, you don't have that issue at all. So that's the reason why I like promoting this offer, because of that, and it teaches you how to use it and whatnot. And second of all, the reason I like promoting it is because it's 80% commissions. Mainly, if somebody spend $25, you get 20. Somebody spend $100, somebody spend $125, you get $100. Somebody spend $500, you get $400. Somebody spend $1,000, you get $800. Like that, right? So anyway, guys, that's the reason right there. Very good product, best product I don't see. I never seen anything say 80% commissions monthly recurring at all. Usually it might be 80% like the first time you get the sale, then it go down to like 15 or 20% every month, something like that. Like, I've seen like something that costs $100, you get half the commission the first day, then 25% days after that. This is 80% commissions all the way through, so this is what you want to stick to. Alright guys, best offer I've seen online, period. So let's get started here. Let's refresh the page. Make sure people, when somebody refresh the page, when they show you results, that's the best way to see if they're lying or not, or if they, because it's very easy to change these numbers around. You change these numbers around with a program, and if they don't refresh the page, you know they might be lying to you somewhere. So anyway, we did not get a sale yesterday, which is fine, guys. Something you have to deal with. You have to be comfortable with not getting sales on certain days. That's just what it is. Don't worry. There's no worry. If you're making money in a certain way, just keep doing it. You'll keep making money in that certain way. And the thing is, you're stacking up income. So when you get a sale, it's much more valuable when you don't get a sale. Like, so far I've had 22 sales. So what? Maybe, let's say about 6 on maybe didn't stick around or something. I don't know yet. We gotta get through the next month. But about 6 didn't stick around or something like that. That's still a lot of people still in the system. So, alright guys, let's go ahead and do this here. So we go to My Lead Gen Secrets to send an email. Make sure you click on all of these right here. Now we're gonna find an email here that we want to send. Biggest bit money that I'm gonna put like $800 here. 800. I'm gonna put 200. I'm gonna put 160. I'm just putting like bigger numbers. I like to put numbers in which you could possibly see with the program. So 160 is something you can see. That's why I changed them. I don't know. I just changed them to be more, enticing, so to speak. But people in the system already interested in making money, so you want to make something that catch their eye over a lot of information. Don't bog them down with information. The page should do that on its own. You know what I mean? The page should tell them everything about about the purchase. So, for example, you want this short and say, hey, I made a lot of money doing this thing. Are you interested? That's all you really need to say. Right? So it'll take them to this page and they can learn all about the program and stuff here. So you don't got to put all that in your email. I want to make sure I clarify that. So anyway, guys, if you're interested in reading this email, we're gonna go down it kind of slow here, so you can kind of look at all the words and so on and so forth for you guys, and pause whenever you need to write it down, because my emails are written by myself. If you're very interested in my emails, now you don't have to have a picture here if you don't need one. Matter of fact, you don't even really need a signature. I learned that signatures, you don't need them. You actually don't really need them. You get sales anyway, which is kind of weird with this system, but it works sometimes. I tested it. I've gotten sales on when I didn't put a signature. It happened. Anyway, we're gonna send the email here, guys. Make sure you click on perfect timing. What perfect timing does, send the email around the time people like to check emails. You know what I mean? And that's all there is to it, guys. And that took about 6 minutes to do there. Every day you do this, every day you will make money. All right, you do this every day, you'll make some money. Now if you have a bunch of accounts, let's say you have a bunch of My Lead Gen Secrets accounts, 10 of them, you'll probably make a whole lot more money than I'm making right now. I'm trying to show as best I can how much somebody would make when they first start. You might not get many sales at the beginning, and that's what I'm trying to show. I'm trying to show a realistic persuasion of that, and at the same time, I'm slowly building myself another income. You know what I mean? So it's fine for me. All right, guys, that's about all there is to it. All the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.